Alright folks, Steve Alcorn, Slick Flip here with you once again. As you can see, I'm driving. This is what they call four-way weather. You have to have your four-way flashers on just for people to see you. It is Christmas Day. It is 21 degrees Fahrenheit and visibility is about 10 feet. I'm driving down an even an old country road, even though it looks like it on the video. This is one of the main thoroughfares here. Northwestern Ohio, northeastern Pennsylvania. I'm actually on the Pennsylvania side, Erie County, PA. So I just came over the border from Ohio, from Ashtabula. So I wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Sorry about the flapping and the noise, and I can't see the road, but we're gonna get there. I'm driving about, no miles an hour. I don't even see there's my speedometer. About 30 miles an hour, so not too bad, but the visibility is just bad. When I left the house, it's a little bit better. I have to go pick up my son, and then we have to go to my sister's house. So this is what we're doing, and hopefully, we can make it. It doesn't look as bad on the camera as it is in real life. I'm only running the wipers because every time the snow is like a little wet, so it sticks to the warmer. Oh, there's a car right in front of me. Look at that, would you? You can't see it, but right there, about 20 feet ahead of me, is a car, and if I hadn't seen it, and you barely can, I would have rear-ended the guy. So, anyway, the point of this video is to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, but it's also to say, sometimes you let things get you down. And today, I really wanted to. I could let this weather get me down, and I'm not gonna, because it's Christmas, and I want to go spend Christmas with my family. So we're driving, we're having a little bit of fun. That little vibrating, if you hear it in the camera, is because I'm over on the line, and they have the little ripples in there, so you know when you're over the line. I am now going about 20 miles an hour because I can't see a thing ahead of me, but I'm almost to my destination, so it should be all right. I don't want to get too far over because there's cars that come the other way too, and right now I'm just following the guy's tire tracks ahead of me, so hopefully he knows where he's going. He's up on a bridge. I'm on them rumble strips, so I know I'm good. As long as I keep to my side of those rumble strips and not too far, I'm all right, right? So anyway, I hope you guys are all having a Merry Christmas. I hope you don't have to drive through weather like this, but I do because I want to. But when I go out sourcing and things, I probably wouldn't source in this weather. Yes, this would get me down a little bit for sourcing, but for family, I will. I am on top of a bridge. There's no vision here, but I'm only about a half mile from where I need to go. So hopefully we can get the next half mile and arrive safely. Then I got to drive another 12 or 15 miles to get to my actual destination. But it'll be on I'm going to go a different way. I'm not going to go down this. This one is a good, regular, state highway or state road. State plows this one, which they haven't been out today apparently. But the other one's a little bit bigger, 4-lane. This one's a 2-lane, and a lot of open fields and stuff, and that's when you get bad. So I'm going to shut this off now. I'm going to get to my destination number 1, and then I'm going to get to my destination number 2, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Merry Christmas.